Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a transfer pin from AT&T. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, now the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to att.com. Now once you're here, we need to go ahead and sign into your account. So go ahead and click onto the account button here and then click onto sign in. Now, once you've logged into your account, we need to go ahead and click onto your user profile and then click in sign in info and then secure my account and then click on the button that says get a transfer pin. Then from there, it's going to verify your identity with a SMS or email code. Then your pin will appear on your screen. Now, the next method is to call AT&T support. So basically what we want to do is go ahead and if you can't access your account, dial 611 from your AT&T phone or call 1-800-331-0500 and then basically tell the agent you'd like to get a transfer pin to port your number and then verify your account details, and then they'll give you the pin for AT&T.